Now it's time that we go over êTRE. êTRE is to be. Avoir was to have. êTRE is to be. Okay? So we have je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, and elles sont. Again, these are all singulier, these are pluriel. Referring to one person, referring to two or more people. Okay? Je suis. Je suis means I am. Tu es means you are. Il est means he is. Elle est means she is. Nous sommes means we are. Vous êtes means you are, plural. Ils sont means they are, I'm referring to masculine. And then elles sont means, again, they are, but féminin. Okay? So again, these up are singulier. We are referring to one person. The bottom half is au pluriel. We are referring to multiple people, so two or more. Same thing with il and elle. As soon as there is one male, one boy, it's referred to masculine. And for it to be elle, au pluriel, they all have to be girls that you were referring to. Okay, so great job. Just like we did with avoir, you are now going to practice êTRE. So I will prepare the board. Okay, how do we say I am happy? Happy, we say happy, content means happy in French. So how would we say I am happy? Well, we know I am because we just saw that. So je suis content. Okay, good job.